Welcome into Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. This content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support towards my channel. Moving on to the content for today, we have basically the crypto fear and greed index, basically for Bitcoin. You know, as we can see here, currently at 60, still at greed. Yesterday and last week at greed as well. A little bump up. Last month we were at neutral, but overall, I mean, you do see a small downtrend here, but it can pop up anytime, just making new higher highs. So, I mean, we're just going to have to wait and see if the trend is going to stay intact and if it's going to stay strong with a little bit more volatility and an impulse towards the upside, or if we're going to continue to retrace a bit back to the mean. We'll definitely keep you guys informed. We move on to Bitcoin's price, guys. This level is just so pivotal. The $28,679 current resistance level, guys. And again, I'm not saying that we can't come up here to touch the 31.8. We could, and if we do, then that would be that be all and all level for Bitcoin before entering a bull market, in my opinion. But right now this is just as pivotal because it's been previous support in the past. If we look back here, the chart is not uploading or updating, but it's been support back here, just key resistance, reclaim the ascending channel, but right now on the bottom part trying to confirm it as support. We do see this clear sell wick here, resistance wick at that key level right now. Once again, it was 29,000, Bitcoin's price 200 today in the last 24 hours, but for now just a clear rejection, guys. This is it. This is the time for Bitcoin to show its potential, its strength short term, and to pump up if it's going to do it, because right now we're reaching basically a pivotal level of confluence where it's gonna have to make a decision, either to pierce through the resistance or to come back down, pierce through the support, and at least retest the $25,171 level in the next couple of days. Yikes, man. I mean, but all in all, the uptrend is still intact. We just made a higher high here, so the trend is still your friend until the end, but who knows? Usually it makes a higher high, and then you have that retracement back to the mean. So let's see what happens in the next couple of days. Then you move on to the weekly chart. I mean, if you do see here right now, it's just an indecision candle, guys. This is a pure 100% look, indecision candle, the second back-to-back red negative bearish. At least until now, indecision candle hasn't closed yet. But right now, Bitcoin doesn't know what to do. It's retested its support, it's retested its resistance twice each. Right now, just stuck in this clear range between 26.5 and 28.8, guys. As you can see there, just wow, you can't make this stuff up. These lines were drawn such a long time ago, and Bitcoin is just respecting it, just its key support and resistance levels up until now. We'll see. Again, second straight weekly indecision candle. That's not good per se, where you want to just see continuation after such a large, massive candle. So, I mean, we're going to have to wait and see in the next couple of weeks what Bitcoin is going to decide to do. We'll see. Then we have the Bitcoin dominance here. After the fake out, we pumped up. As we said, it was more likely to do so. And we mentioned that 48.32%. We made a new local high today, but we're retracing a bit. Still haven't reached the 48.32, but we said that 48% was going to be the first target. And wow, we just hit it today. It's amazing, just TA how it works. A little bit of divergence with the Bitcoin dominance, so we'll see what happens. But right now, just a lot of strength. Bitcoin dominating the market due to bank failures and altcoins. People are just scared of them, due to the possible altcoin regulations coming down the line. So we got to be patient. We got to see. We got to wait and see and just continue to analyze the charts. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like the videos, it helps with the algorithm. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for a fresh off depressed content. And we also have free content for you guys, free content of great value, educational playlist here, link in the description down below. You click it, get a pen or pencil with a piece of paper, and you have free educational videos with their educational presentations and everything. You can't make this stuff up. Just so much value, guys, in these educational videos for free. Then we move on to Bitcoin's latest performance, currently at 27,939, down 1.52%. And you know, in the last 24 hours, down a point. Basically has been the same for the past 7 days or the last week. And you know, we do see here a market cap of $540 billion, down 1.52%. Volume is up 6.87%, up, you know, to $22 billion in less than 24 hours, guys. Wow. So again, Bitcoin showing a little bit of weakness overall with today's candle, but all in all, uptrend is still intact. But we need to keep an eye out for this pivotal $28,679 key resistance level. We'll see what happens, guys. Again, we have our website, great tools and resources for you guys, a link in the description below. Thank you so much, guys, for your time, for your attention, and for your support, and I hope you guys have a good one.